Imagine a car that redefines the meaning of luxury, okay? A car that is not just a means of transportation, but a statement of lifestyle and technological progress. Today we're going to cover something truly stunning, the 2026 BMW 9 Series, a car that's ready to make you rethink what's possible in the automotive world. Before we start going deeper, don't forget to press the subscribe button and activate the notification bell. That way, you won't miss other interesting discussions about cars and the latest technology. BMW really raised the bar with the exterior design of the 9 Series. First impression, magnificent and futuristic. With smooth aerodynamic lines and a sleeker BMW signature grille, the car exudes luxury without shouting. Not only aesthetics, the materials used also provide high durability and better aerodynamic efficiency. At the front, the latest technology laser lights provide optimal lighting with a sharp and modern design. Don't forget the 22-inch rims with a futuristic design that make this car look dashing but still elegant. Back, clean, minimalist, with a stop lamp that blends perfectly. Entering the cabin, you can immediately feel the luxury experience. The BMW 9 Series truly understands the need for comfort and luxury in every detail. Premium leather seats with heating, cooling, and even massage modes make you sit comfortably for hours. The 15-inch curved display infotainment screen that integrates the latest generation xDrive system is the control center for various advanced features. There is also an ambient lighting system that can be adjusted to suit your travel mood. What's interesting? The BMW 9 Series is equipped with gesture control technology, which allows you to control various features just with hand movements. Adjusting the music volume or navigation can be done without touching a button. Luxury is not the only selling point of this car, because its performance is also extraordinary. The BMW 9 Series comes with a choice of plug-in hybrid and full electric engines. For the hybrid, the petrol engine is combined with an electric motor which produces a total output of up to 600 horsepower. Acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, less than 4 seconds. Despite its power, fuel efficiency is excellent thanks to regenerative braking technology and the latest energy management systems. So, what do you think about the 2026 BMW 9 Series? Does this car meet your expectations of a luxurious and futuristic car? If you like this content, don't forget to like, share, and write your opinion in the comments column. I'm waiting for your insight. See you in the next video, and stay inspired.